The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Chatham County, north central Harnett County, Wake County, until 4:45 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Fuquay-Varina, Zebulon, Angier, WRDU International, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, Lake Wheeler, William B. Olmsted State Park, Lake Benson, Research Triangle, and Carpenter. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, and Wake.